Hey guys, Josh from Service Photo here. Today I'm here to talk about one of Promaster's great products, the Promaster Small Block Weather Resistant LED Light Kit. So first, one of my favorites, it has a nice little built-in diffuser on it. So you can take that on and off very quickly, very easily. The other thing I love that they have is they have a pair of barn doors. So if you're trying to manipulate the light in any way, it's very easy to do with this. The next thing that they have is they have a grid. So if you want to have more control over your light, you pop this on the front of it and it will help you control your light in situations. Another thing that they have is a snoot. You pop this snoot on and pretty much it gives you more control over the direction that you want the light to be aiming at. Last but not least, a pair of gel sets. Using this, you can put this on and you can create different type of lighting effects like a red, a green, a yellow, orange, different kind of color effects to make your images or photos pop. And finally, all of this comes in this well-built case that is ready to go when you're ready to go.